Hello, Madeline Marie. Hello, sugar baby.
Say hi.
Hi.
Papa.
Camera. Picture. Oh, that's what you're saying. Yeah. Jumpy jump. Can you jump, Madeline? Oh, face plant.
Got you.
No, I think she was saying Grammy, Grammy. Look at the hair. Nice do, Maddie Marie.
Where's your hair?
All over the place. Jump, jump.
Oh, Chester.
Oh, Chester. Oh, Chester.
Chester, come here.
Should ask her some stuff so she can answer. She's a busy girl.
Madeline, where's the kitty cat?
Mom, watch. Mom.
Hold on, and I'll take your picture. Hold on, we're going to go zoom over to Jonah. Oh, or not.
Madeline, how old are you? 1. Good job.
Yep.
1. What comes after 1? 2. Whoa.
I got you.
Whoa. Got you? Got you? Got you. Madeline, what does the cow say? Yep. What does the lion say?
Good one.
What does the elephant say? What does the doggy say?
What does the kitty cat say? Madeline. Hey, you. What does the kitty cat say?
Meow.
Meow. Yeah, what does the horsey say?
What does the sheep say? What sound does Daddy make when he farts?
Hey.
Is it stinky? Say P-U.
Hey. You all done in there? Nope. Yeah. Daddy bounce you? Daddy bounce you? Boing, 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 boing. More? Okay. Boing, boing, boing.
Oh, more? That was good.
Sure hope you sleep good tonight. Hi.
Madeline, you say, I love you.
I love you. Love you, Madeline.
Love you too. I get you. This way.
Go get him, Madeline. Go get Daddy. Get him. Get him. Go get him. Go get him.
Should we put your shoe back on?